Future perfect tense magic. Will have liked, with infinitives. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a fascinating grammar concept. Expressing likes in the future perfect tense using will have liked, with infinitives. Yes, you heard that right. By the end of this video, you'll be able to express your future preferences like a pro. Let's get started. Before we dive into will have liked, it's essential to understand the future perfect tense. This tense is used when we want to indicate that something will have been completed at a particular point in the future. The typical structure for the future perfect tense is will plus have plus past participle. Example, by the end of the year, she will have graduated from college. Now, let's talk about expressing likes. We usually use the verb like to talk about our preferences. But how do we use it in the future perfect tense? We use the structure will have liked. It may seem a little unusual at first, but it's a great way to talk about things you anticipate you'll enjoy in the future. Example, by the end of the movie, I think I will have liked the main character. In this sentence, we're saying that we anticipate enjoying or liking the main character as the movie progresses. It gets even more interesting when we use will have liked with infinitives. Infinitives are the base form of a verb, often preceded by the word to. When used with will have liked, infinitives can help us express what actions we believe we will appreciate in the future. Example, by tomorrow, you will have liked to learn more about this topic. In this sentence, we're saying that by tomorrow, you anticipate that you would have enjoyed learning more about this topic. Before we wrap up, let's do some quick practice. Try to construct sentences using will have liked and an infinitive. 1. By next week, I blank 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 to finish this book. 2. By the time she arrives, we blank 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 to prepare a surprise party. Now, let's see the answers. 1. By next week, I will have liked to finish this book. 2. By the time she arrives, we will have liked to prepare a surprise party. And there we have it. Remember, grammar isn't about memorizing complex rules. It's about understanding how different elements work together to communicate our thoughts and feelings. By using will have liked with infinitives, you can express your anticipated likes in the future more accurately. We hope this video has helped to make future perfect tense a little less daunting. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be weaving will have liked into your conversations with ease. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.